if you want to make your dot paper using markers, you will only need two things: colored paper and markers. But I would say out of all the options, this one requires a lot of patience, but I believe in you. All right, so I'm going to do a warm colored background for this. You could use red, orange, or yellow, but I'm just going to use red today. I have my cool color markers. I have violet, green, and blue. If you're doing this at home, you don't have to use all the colors. You could just use blue and green on top of your warm background, or blue and violet. But today I'm just going to use all three. So when you get started, if you're using the markers, always put the cap on the back, and that makes sure that it doesn't roll off the table and disappear somewhere. So sometimes it's really fun to jab our marker onto our paper, but that's not being very nice to our marker. So we are going to make our dots by drawing a circle and filling it in. This is a circle, and this is a dot. So when you're making it, don't just draw circles everywhere. It will look like bubbles, and yeah, it will look really pretty, but make sure you fill them in. To make your whole dot paper interesting, you can vary the sizes of your dots. Some big, some little, some really big maybe. And make sure you switch up your colors every once in a while so that you don't have too much of maybe one single color. I like to think about when I am drawing like these are all bubbles floating up into the sky, or these are all balloons floating up into the sky. You can almost imagine it as something. Now, if I stopped right here, this would not be enough dots. I really want to fill my whole paper, almost like this one. And I actually want to show you how to create this. And I actually created this one using these. And these are actually called bingo daubers. They're really fun. This is something that if you maybe saved a little bit of money, you could buy yourself. And I'll show you how to use those if you happen to have those on hand. They have a little cap on the top, and you turn them vertically and literally just press. They make perfect dots, and they're super fun. So maybe when you're doing this project, you could get your hands on some. If I'm still using the markers, I want to keep using all my cool color dots until this whole page is full. Okay, good luck.